Guys, you see this trick I'm about to share? It's going to blow your mind. You are not ready for what you want to hear, but trust me, it is something that is important for you to know. It is a trick I recently found out, and there's no gatekeeping here. So I'll be sharing what I have just learned and hoping that we both will practice and get more views. Now, before I get into the tutorial for the day, you see this video showing up here. Let's experiment a little. If you can notice, this is a video of my favorite, Nebasi Yahweh Sabbath playing. Now I'm going to fast forward this video to the end so that you see the video that plays next after it. Which video is showing? Which video is showing? My video. And trust me, it's not just one that is going to be playing. It's going to be showing all my videos that are on that channel. Now let's take another one. Let's take another example. You see this other video showing now. This is a video of Vibe Sonia, one lady that I love to watch her content. I learn a lot from her. She's in the she's in the YouTube monetization content creation space, right? She's one content creator that you really love to follow and enjoy her content. Now this is a video playing. Now let me take this video to the end and you get to see which video is going to be showing after hers. Which video is showing there? It is mine again. Yes, this is a trick I want to now show you how to do it. I also realized that I can do this for even shorts. I can also do this for ads. Yes, when ads are playing, those ads that already play first on your video. I also, discovered that I can also still apply this where the video get to play, and just immediately after the video finish playing, the next video you get to see will be mine, and it's going to be more than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 videos of my video, and anybody can watch them. Now let's get right into the tutorial for the day. I'll be showing you my phone screen, and I'm going to be telling you how you can apply this hack on your own videos and get to see your videos get more views, because truth is because these persons have a wide range of audience. They have a wider they have more subscribers, they have more persons listening to them, they have more views on their videos. When people get to watch their videos and then yours pop up next, chances are out of 100 persons, at least 10 to 20 persons will get to watch your video. And if the number is more, you can imagine what that will do to your channel. Now let's get into the tutorial. Alright, so if you're looking at getting more views, more subscribers, this trick is definitely going to work for you. Now this is what you're going to do. You're going to go to your Chrome browser and then you're going to click on it. Now you're going to go on and open a new tab, and then you're going to type in youtube.com, just like this. Let's don't add any other thing to it, just type it just like this and you click on search. Now it's going to open up like this. Right now, the next thing I need you to do, you go through these three border signs showing here, these three dots showing here, and then you're going to click on that. Then you go ahead and scroll down, you see request desktop sites. Then you click on request desktop sites. When it has opened up like this, it's going to appear like this. Right now, where you have the search bar, this space where you have the search, right, you click on that and then you would search your name. You will search the name of your channel. I want to use Grow with V as the example here is already showing, so I'm going to click on Grow with V and I will allow this to open. Now it's going to open up like this. You can go ahead and minimize it so you can see it full, or you can also still leave it increased. But this is what it now looks like. What I'm going to be doing next is I'm going to click on the part where I have my profile showing, this part here. I'll click on that and I'll allow it to open up like this. Now this is my channel, this is Visa Freak channel. Now I'm going to now go to playlists. I'm going to now click on playlist. Right, I only have one playlist in this on this particular channel. Right, I only have one playlist at the moment on this particular channel. Underneath the playlists, right, I have view few playlists. view full playlist, rather view full playlist. I'll click on that view full playlist, and then going to open up like this. Now the next thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to now come back to this tab where I have youtube.com showing, and I'll click on that to copy the playlist. Right, this is the playlist link showing up here, the playlist URL showing up here. So I'm going to just click on this and allow it to copy. I'm going to go ahead and just click on copy. Then I'll go to my notes, and then I'm going to open a fresh page on my notes. I'll open a fresh page on my notes, and then just go ahead and paste that there. Now I'm going to go to my YouTube app. Now before I even get there, let me show you something. This method we just use, where I said you will see full playlist. If it's on your normal YouTube app, you won't see it. You won't see it like this. It's not going to be showing you view full playlist. This is what I mean. Let's go to my normal YouTube app. This is my normal YouTube app. Let me go to my playlist. Right. Let me go to my playlist on my normal YouTube app. When this opens up, I have my playlist here. Underneath it, let's allow this to open. Underneath it, you're not seeing anywhere they said view full playlist, right? Even though you can actually view the full playlist, but you're not seeing it there, and that's the reason why we are using the desktop version. And if you're also doing this on your laptop, you know that you don't need to request for desktop version like I did, because I'm using my mobile phone, so I had to request for desktop version. Now I'm going to go back to my main app, right, and I'm going to just let me even say this is Jazz Studios. Let me say I want to use his own video for this practical. I'm going to now go ahead and click on this sign here, this hamburger sign here, and I'm going to just click on that, and then I'm going to click on share. Right, I'll click on share, and I'll click on copy link. Now I'm going to go back to the notes, and then I'm going to paste that link I've just copied down here. Right, the next thing I'm going to be doing is I'll come back to this first link. That's my own playlist I clicked before. I'll come back to this playlist, and I'm going to go ahead and just remove all these parts that is before where I have lists. You are saying list, right? You can see list. I'm going to delete all that part before lists. I'm going to delete all that part before list, and it's going to now be like this. I'm going to go ahead and attach this sign and to it. Now the next thing I want to do is to merge the two links together. I'm going to go ahead now and click. I don't want this to move, so be careful so that it doesn't move. I'm going to place this icon at the beginning there and click on select. So I'm going to click on select, copy, and then go ahead and attach it to this other link, the Jazz Studios link. Let me paste it somewhere else, like this. Jazz Studio. I'm going to paste it there. Let me attach. Okay, so now I have it as one link. So I'm going to go back up here. Right, I'm going to go back up here and select all of them, the entire link together. Just be careful, because if it's a link, so when you click on it, there's possibility that it's going to want to open, but I don't want to open that. I want to rather copy it. So I'm going to click on select and copy everything together. I'm going to now go ahead and say copy. Now the next thing that you want to do is, let's assume you want to send this to, you want somebody to help you watch your playlist, right? Or you want to send somebody a particular, maybe that's I want to send someone Jazz Studios video, right? That particular one playing. Now I'll go ahead and send this to my friend on WhatsApp. Let me look for someone that's. I'm going to send this to my friend on WhatsApp. Let me use Blessing Paul. I'm going to send this to Blessing Paul on WhatsApp. Now I've sent the link. Now this is the thing. For any time she gets to click on this link to watch,
It's going
I
to
am going to
okay.
show you how to
It's
get
going to
more
first
views
of all
on
go ahead
YouTube.
and
This thing I'm
show
about to show you now,
Jazz
most
Studios
creators are hiding it from
videos,
you. They don't want
right?
to talk about
It
it.
will
I
show
want to
Jazz
show you
Studios
so you
videos.
will see. I bet
Let
you
me
this
just
is
fast
what
forward
you
this
have.
to the end, like I did from the beginning. That when I was making the when I was trying to explain what this is about. All right, so let me fast forward this to the end so that you can see that after this one that plays, the next video is going to
To the
play will be
class
mine.
immediately. Thank you very much,
Okay,
and I'm going
it
to
is
see you
going to
on
be
my next video.
speaking
Bye.
out. Okay, so let me just see how do I reduce that volume.
Bye.
All right, let's see. This is, if you
Hello,
notice,
this is
mine is the next
Rosie.
one. Let me pause it. If you notice, mine came up next, right? My video came up next, and after this video plays, because it's the playlist, all other videos are just going to be playing because it's the playlist. See them down here. They are just going to keep. They will just keep playing from one to another because it is a playlist. Do you get? So this, let's assume because Jazz Studio has more audience than I do. Let's assume that this actually, I actually send to more than 10 persons. They get to watch this video, and at the end of this video, where if they're able to watch the end of this video, at the end of it, they get to watch my own video next, and they can go ahead and watch my other videos, like other of my playlist. I don't know if you get that point. So with this viewpoint of mine, I hope I'm able to convince you, or at least share with you from what I now know.
I really do hope that this content is one that you enjoyed watching and you're going to be practicing because like I said, it's a new trick I just found out and I can tell you for free that it is working. So as I'm applying to my channel, I'm also hoping that you get to apply on your own channel and let's grow together. This is Grow with V. So don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, leave a like, share this to your to your contacts, let more persons get to know about this channel, get to follow me, and let us all grow together. All right, do have a blessed week, have a blessed day. See you in my next video. All right, bye.